Tired of slow 3D printing? Ready for prints that are stronger, faster, and more detailed than ever before? Then get ready to meet the Elegoo Centauri Carbon. This isn't your average 3D printer. The Centauri Carbon boasts a mind-blowing 500 millimeters per second print speed and 20,000 millimeters per second squared. That's lightning-fast printing without sacrificing precision. Thanks to its advanced Core XY system and powerful heated edit, you'll see incredible results in a fraction of the time. But speed isn't everything. The Centauri Carbon is built for strength and durability. Its all-metal construction, 320°C brass-hardened steel nozzle, and automatic vibration compensation ensure flawless prints every time. It handles demanding materials like carbon fiber reinforced filament with ease, perfect for creating high-performance parts. Plus, with its built-in camera, real-time monitoring, and time-lapse functionality, you'll always know what's happening, even when you're not there. The upgraded dual-sided flexible build plate ensures effortless adhesion and minimal warping. And the best part? We're including 7 spools of high-speed PLA Plus filament, enough to get you started on countless projects. Urgent, driving music swells. But this offer won't last forever. For a limited time, we're offering an exclusive bundle deal on the Elegoo Centauri Carbon with 7 kilograms of high-speed PLA Plus filament. Don't miss out on this opportunity to upgrade your 3D printing game. Click the link below now to claim your Elegoo Centauri Carbon and unleash your creativity. This is your chance to experience the future of 3D printing. Don't wait.